Solid. Don't we need to like?
We can melt it.
Do you have a
Yeah, you think we just bake every day here?
You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying, dude.
Do you have a
No.
No. Want to do a cake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why are you doing like that?
Because we don't have a
What does a mean?
with the automatic mixer. No, let me tell you something. We take this for granted. You know, people in the Stone Age didn't have this. Okay.
Oh my god, you're drunk.
Drip that. Drip.
Oh, we got that drip. We got that.
Dude, where's the spatula?
Oh, we got that drip, baby!
Where's the fucking?
Oh, we got that drip.
You don't got a spatula, dude?
We got that drip.
I got no spats, bro.
We got that drip, though.
Where's the spats?
We got that.
Where's the spats?
We got that drip. You just break my shit.
There's no spatula.
It's coming off this. It's coming off this.
Alright, you don't have a spatula, bro. We need a spatula.
Yeah, we do. It's just,
dude, you don't have a spatula.
you have a spatch. Hold this.
Yeah, hold on. Get a spatula. Hi, Mom.
Look, I just fucking realized. Bro, I'm cutting you off. I know. I'm sorry, but I'm wearing your favorite color. And you're wearing mine. I baked up a couple pieces of ass. What's up?
Stick like toffee, sip like coffee, wake up, change your mind and drop me love. To hate me crazy, shady, spit me out like hot wasabi. Lick me up, I'm sweet and salty, mix it up and down my body. Love to hate me, praise me, shame me.
Wait till the cake cools down first. Oh,
Sure.
I think we're...
Ooh. That bitch burnt. The middle's good. I think this is a little overcooked, but I think the middle's probably good. It's supposed to be like that. Stop doing that, bro. Yo. That shit hot as hell, bro. Goddamn. Please, bro.
You know, a cake isn't supposed to be. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to fall. Okay?
Is it?
Yes.
Bro, what are we talking about? It falls.
No, you're